Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to separate them into s over the square root of 4 minus s squared and number 1 over the square root of 4 minus s squared. Now, I need to concentrate about this one first. We need to use about integration by substitution. So, I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s, but we have a negative, so we put in here. First derivative of number 4, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Later that, we divide both sides by negative number 2. So, this one we change by u. About s ds, we change by negative u du. U divided by u, we have negative. The integration of this one, we have negative u. About u, that is about this one. Now, we go to the second one. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So, I need to put about s equals to 2 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, you got about 4 sine t squared. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t squared, we change cosine t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. We do first derivative for the both sides. So, I need to put this one gone here. ds, we change by this one. So, we have 4 sine t squared. Number 4, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t squared, we got about cosine t squared. The square root of 4 cosine t squared, we have 2 cosine t. And later that, we need to simplify 2 cosine t. And this one you got about t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. So we got about t equal to r sine of s over 2. So I need to put this one to change for t. And now We need to combine the answer. And that is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.